So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? It can be a bit confusing for many people, but let's break it down. The first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was created by an anonymous figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto, who was believed to be a software engineer. Bitcoin introduced a new era of digital money. After Bitcoin's introduction, many other cryptocurrencies have emerged, and there will likely be even more in the future. It's an exciting development, but it also means you need to be cautious. Before jumping into any investment, it's crucial to do your research and ensure it's a smart choice for you. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike physical money like coins or banknotes, cryptocurrencies exist only in digital form and are stored in a digital wallet. Traditional currencies like USD or GBP are issued and regulated by governments and central banks, while cryptocurrencies are decentralized and not controlled by any single entity. Now, let's talk about Binance. It's the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchange in the world. Binance quickly became a major player in the crypto space due to its wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, user-friendly interface, and low trading fees. We'll be talking more about Binance, how it works, and most importantly, how we trade on it in future videos. Finally, the most important aspect of trading is the analysis part. In trading, analysis refers to evaluating and interpreting market data to make informed decisions about buying, selling, or holding financial assets like stocks, cryptocurrencies, or commodities. In the trading world, this analysis takes a heavy role. Without proper analysis, you risk facing significant losses. There are two main types of analysis used in trading. The first is fundamental analysis, which looks at the intrinsic value of an asset by examining factors like economic indicators and financial statements. The second is technical analysis, which focuses on statistical trends and market data to predict future price movements. Understanding these will be crucial as you dive deeper into trading. So, there you have it, a brief introduction to cryptocurrency, an overview of Binance, and the importance of analysis in trading. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at how to set up your Binance account and start your trading journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Learning Curve, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, leave them in the comments below. Your feedback helps me create content that's valuable to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, happy learning and happy trading.